how's it going, YouTube? Got an unboxing here of some new 4S Lipos. Couldn't beat it for the price. Let's see what we get. Let's see what that is in a minute. Came with XT90, but you know what I'm gonna use. Oh, this thing's hefty. It's a little 4S. Some good quality. Alright, let's test this one right off the grip. See what we get. Alright, sound count. Okay, we on point there, we on point. Let's go ahead and check the next one. I did also order some 3S packs. They're coming 265C. Well, these things is hefty. I didn't think they was that heavy. There, another one. Soft pack. So what I paid for both of them was 96 for some 4S's. Well, you can't beat that. Make sure y'all seeing that. Not bad. Not bad. Came with XT90s. I'm gonna cut these off, put bullets on there, 8 mils. Let's see what came in this box, if it actually came. Oh, that's crazy. Alright, so let me tell y'all, right? When I ordered these batteries, at the bottom, it said $17.99, and then when you add it to the cart, the price went to 0. So I did it, and it actually came. So this battery was free. I got this 3S pack for free. Not bad at all. It's only a 2200 milliamp 30C, but for free. And when I ordered my 3S, the same thing happened. So I need a 6S pack. Now I'll probably go order that and get another one of these for free. Can't beat free. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Let's go and test this as well. Let's see. Okay. There, we ain't bad. That's a free battery. So I paid 45 or 46 for each one. Came out to like 90 something dollars. And then this was free. So can't beat that. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing.